In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy checklist in Microsoft Planner. If you've ever built a really solid checklist inside a task and wished you could reuse it somewhere else, the fastest and most reliable way is to copy that task and then adjust the details. This saves you from rebuilding the same list over and over, and it helps keep your process consistent across plans and projects. Start by opening the task that already contains the checklist you want to reuse. You can do this from the board view by selecting the task card or from anywhere you see the task listed. When the task details window opens, take a moment to confirm that the checklist is exactly what you want to duplicate. This ensures you're copying the right structure. Next, look to the upper right corner of the task card or the task details window for the three dots, also called the More Options menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions, then choose Copy Task. This is the command that creates a duplicate of your task with the options you select. A copy menu will appear. Here, give your new task a clear name if you need to. A descriptive title is helpful, especially when you're building out repeatable workflows or creating multiple versions for different teams. Then choose where you want the copied task to live by selecting the destination plan and the bucket. The plan controls which project space it goes to, and the bucket determines the column or category it will start in, such as To Do, In Progress, or a custom bucket you use for intake. Under the Include section, make sure the checklist option is checked. This setting is the key to bringing over the exact list of items from your original task. If it's not selected, you'll get a copy of the task without the checklist, which defeats the purpose here. Once everything looks right, your name, your plan, your bucket, and the checklist box checked, click Copy. Planner will create the new task with the checklist duplicated. Open the new task to verify everything came through as expected. From there, tweak the details to fit the new context. Update the description, adjust due dates, and assign the task to the right people. Because the checklist structure is already in place, these edits are quick. This method is also a great way to build template tasks for recurring processes. Keep one well-crafted task as your source and copy it each time you start that process so your team follows the same steps every time with minimal setup.